Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make Mauby drink. It is a very popular, delicious and refreshing drink found in the Caribbean. The Mauby drink is made from the bark of the Colubrina elliptica tree. Growing up, I always heard my elders say that Mauby has a lot of health benefits. Benefits such as it can act as a laxative, it can lower blood pressure, help with arthritis, and so forth. To make Mauby drink, we need our Mauby bark and our aromatic spices such as cinnamon leaves, piece of orange peel, small pieces of nutmeg, star anise, aniseed, cinnamon, and 2 pieces of ginger. I am putting my spices and Mauby bark into the pot and I'm going to pour 8 cups of water in it and left to boil for 40 minutes. If you do not want to use the cinnamon leaves, go right ahead and use bay leaves. I normally do a switch. Sometimes I use bay leaves or I use the cinnamon leaves. Also, if you want to use some whole cloves, that's up to you, but I do not like whole cloves in mine. After boiling for 40 minutes on medium-high heat, you want to take off your stove, put your Mauby to a side and cover and let it cool completely. I like to leave mine overnight. You can leave it up to a couple of days so it can draw or seep. It gets stronger as you do that. After seeping overnight, I am then going to strain my Mauby. And one thing to keep in mind, sometimes they harvest the Mauby very young and it don't have a lot of flavor in it. So I just want you to keep that in mind, okay? And you know, after boiling your Mauby bark and spices, the Mauby is bitter. So that's why you have to dilute it with water and sweeten with sugar. After straining my Mauby, I took 2 cups of concentrate and I'm going to dilute it with 3 cups of water and sugar to taste. I am using 3/4 cups of sugar to sweeten my Mauby. You can use less or more depending on your preference. If you do not want your Mauby to be too bitter or too strong, you just have to dilute it with water or just add more water and sweeten with sugar to your taste. Also, you can add vanilla extract to your Mauby for flavor, but I do not like it in it, so I'm gonna just omit it. I am going to pour my Mauby into my bottles and left to rest for 3 days on my countertop. That's the way I saw my mom and aunts did it. The staler the Mauby is, the better you enjoy the drink. After 3 days, when you drink your Mauby, for example, you take a glass with ice and you drink some, place the rest Mauby into the fridge. And please note that you can drink your Mauby after you finish sweetening it. Enjoy it with a glass of ice and you're good to go. This is my unsweetened Mauby and I'm going to pour it in my bottle and place it in my fridge. Now, you can always use it to make more drink, or you can dilute it with water and drink it unsweetened, or even drink it like that, strong as that, unsweetened. This will be great as a laxative. The remaining Mauby and spices, bottle it with water, place in the fridge and use it when you are ready to make drinks again. Boil it until all the strength is gone. Now I'm having a fresh glass of Mauby. Ooh, I like that slight bitter taste. Perfect. It's not bitter, no. Slight bitter. Just how I love it. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video.